Hi friends, in this video we are going to see what are all the different access specifiers available in Java and what is the use of these access specifiers, how we will restrict something to not to use in out of the class or out of the package or in child classes, or how to make the particular data or particular method need to be accessed anywhere in the scope. So how we can do all these things we are going to see in this video. There are 4 different access specifiers available for us. Those are private, default, protected and public. Private means it will be accessible only within the class. Outside of the class you cannot access this. Default, within the package you can access. If any method is default, it can be accessible within the package. If any method is protected, it can be accessed within the package plus child classes. If any method is public, you can access anywhere. Okay. So let me see practically all these access specifiers, how it is going to work and all. You can see carefully here. This is my package, one of the package. And let me try to create another package also here. I am creating another package like com.java.practice1. I am creating another package here. This is my another package. Okay, it is created. So I am trying to create a new class here. My class is, I am having A class. Okay, my class name is A, public static void main. Okay, that's fine. This is my class. For example, let me assume I have one more class B here. Okay, I have one method as private void message. One method is there. Okay, and I am giving just some implementation. This is my message. Okay, I want to access this method. Is what type of variable it is, what type of method it is? Private method. Can I access outside of this class? Can I create an object to it? Like see here, b equal to new b. I am creating the object. Okay, sorry, I am trying to create a object for the class b and b dot. Can we get this message? No, you cannot get it. You cannot get it because this method scope is only inside of this class B only. You cannot access this method outside of the class B. That is nothing but private. Or you can take any data also. If you give private string, I mean private int data, so this variable also you can access only in this class. Outside of this class you cannot able to access the private type of data. That you need to remember. Okay, for example, okay, that is about the private. Any private data or private methods, any private will be there which you cannot access outside of that class. Its scope is only inside of that class only. Let me have this method. Okay, that is about the private part, and let me have same kind of method here. Okay, so I have, yeah, this message will be there. Now let me want to give 1 minute. Before going to that, I want to give this method as default. If I am not giving any of the access specifier, then by default it is a default. Now can you try it? Message, see, it is accessible. No errors are there because you have given here what type of default. Default scope is within the package. Default scope is what, guys? Within the package is the default scope. Outside of the package you cannot access default. You can try if you want. See, I am having within the package only I can able to access now, right? So you can try later, or let me show you from the other package which is not allowing us and all. Okay, that is one thing. That is, if at all you are not providing any data type, what is the data type, guys? Default is the data type. Okay, what is the data type? Default is the data type for it. Okay, I will show you. For example, this is the default method I am having. Here also I have one more. Default void message will be there. This method is there. Let me try to create this is a what class? Public class. This is a public class, but my message method is a what? What type of method it is? Default method. Now let me try to create a new class here. You can observe carefully whether this is accessible or not. I am trying to create C class I am trying to create. Okay, C class I am trying to create. But within this C class, what I want to do is I want to create the object to the B. I want to create the object to the A class. A class, I want to create the object. Now carefully understand here. A class, you are trying to create object, but see the error here. Import, okay, let me import that, fine. Now no issues are there. Let me try to see anywhere here message method is there. Sorry. Anywhere here, see, now what type of this A class is, what type of variable this is? Default. Default scope is what? Within the package. But now my C class is there in another package, com.java.package1, it is there. Now I am trying to access that message method. Is it access? No. Because the method which we are having in A class is default data type. Can we make it to protected now? Okay. Can we make it to protected and see if it is you are able to access? Protected means what I told you, within the package plus child classes. Now it is not the child class. Can you try now? Message method is available? No, it is not available. When it will be available? I want to make this class as child class to the class A. So extends class A. Now can you try? Message method is available. Can you try? Okay. So I made it class A. This is class A, right? I made it this class A as child class to the class C. Extends A I have done. I am creating object to the C. No, I need to create the object to the class C equal to new C. Okay. C dot C message method is available here. Message method is available here or not? Earlier, see earlier what I have provided here. Let me remove here protected and carefully understand. Now it is default. Default is within the package only. Now can you try here? See error is coming. Change visibility of message to protected. Because since it is the child class, it is C is the child class to the A. So once you change it to protected here, what will happen? Tell me. So protected scope is what? It will be accessible only within the package plus child classes. Now C is child class to the A. Now you can access. Okay. Now you can access. Yeah. Now you can access. You are making this method as a protected. Okay. So see here. Now no errors are there. Let me save it. See, no errors are there. So that is about this part, guys. So first three we have seen so far. Private within the class, or default within the package, protected within the package plus child classes, or public you are giving. See, very simple. So I want to give here public only. This is a public method only. If you did not provide what is, guys, if you did not provide, then that is a default within the package only. See, now I don't want to extend it, but I want to access that class. That method is a public now. Okay, that method is a public now. I want to access that particular class. You can see here. Create method message, add cast C dot message I want to call. Now what is there here? I think we have changed it but not saved it. Okay, come back here. Now do it C dot message. Why it is not accessible here? Did we make save? It is a now what? Public void message. It should be accessible here. C dot. Why message is not accessible here? So that message, whatever is there here, I need to create an object to what? Okay. I need to not create an object to the class C. I need to create the object to the A class. I can create and A dot message. See, I can able to access from here. Though I am in different package now. I am in C practice 1, but my class is there in another package. So I am able to access here. I am able to access here. But when it is default, we did not able to access. Default is within the package. Public, yes, you can able to access anywhere. Protected, yes, within the package plus subclasses. Private, only within the class. This is about the how you can do restrict your data between multiple packages or multiple classes or in inheritance concept, how you can restrict it. These are all the things you are getting. If you know the scope of the method or variable, then you need to mention corresponding access specifier to the particular particular data thing, or you can give particular one to the your methods also. Okay, so these four are playing very major role in Java access specifiers. So if you want to use only in that class, then make it as a private, or within the package then default, or outside of the package only for child classes along with within the package, then make it protected, or anywhere you want to access by creating the object, then make it public. Okay, so please try to practice all this and let me know. That's all for this video. Thank you.